Good morning, Bring a Trailer. It's a beautiful spring morning. The birds are chirping. They're happy to see winter go away, much as I do. I have my hand on the exhaust manifold. So it's been parked here overnight deliberately so I could do this cold start video outside.
We'll get to it. And to overlook the small blessings, the wonderful things that God puts in our lives that
Incredibly silent. We just did a oil change and state inspection. Zero vibration. And we did replace the coolant reservoir. They always crack. I think they biodegrade after about 17 years. Zero oil leaks. It's completely dry underneath. So bid with confidence. This is the best example.